Okay, I just fixed my key in record time by drilling a hole in the plastic and inserting, screwing in the screw. It's pretty tight and it works and it pivots and the keys around it work. I'm astounded it took me as sure as it did, because normally I would have to take this entire keyboard apart to replace this one key, which just has a simple little edge in the back. So the edge in the back hangs. Well, guess what? That hangs too. Hangs perfectly well. And it performs exactly the same. I could have saved myself $12.50 in shipping for this one key. And the funny thing is, this keyboard has played all over Europe, opening for Wasp, World Dominator Tour with the House of James. It's actually House of Games, but it looks like House of James. I love it. House of James. House of Games. Did I play on this keyboard? Oh yeah, played in Gypsy. Music Celebration of... definitely played Motor, 1994, maybe not. Southern Steel, played in Southern Steel for sure. This keyboard did not play in this one because I played guitar and sang. Graf Brothers, yes, I believe I did play it at some point with the Graf Brothers, although mostly I toured just with acoustic and electric. Anyway, so the point is, what was the point? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the story about how my partner got fired for my taking my keyboard down before the last set. I played the last set with guitar and harmonica and sang, but I took my $4,200 keyboard down because I was getting ready to leave at exactly 9 o'clock to make it to my 10 o'clock gig, which I did make it to, and they didn't like that. They didn't like that I took the keyboard down. I have no idea why. I guess people thought that maybe we were breaking down, so people started leaving. But we announced that we were having another set, and I got in trouble and I got fired. And they happen to own 8 places, which is really, really upsetting. But that's life. But guess what? The place I played right afterwards, from 10 till 2, absolutely loved us, and booked us like 7 more dates that same night. And one of the dates they booked us is the same date I was supposed to go back to the first place that fired us for taking the keyboard down. How about I just don't set the keyboard up next time? It's just stupid. It's horribleness. Just, oh, I guess the president of the entire company was there to watch us, unbeknownst to us, like audition us, unbeknownst to us. You know, it's just unbearable, really. And the fact they own so many places, it's kind of unbearable to me too. Why do they own so many places? It's like a monopoly. I would just go play at your competition, but you don't have any competition to go play at. Well, we'll play at them anyway. We'll find some competition for you, and we'll play at the other place. Nobody cares. I don't care. I don't care about your gig. I got a different gig. Foolish. I'm sure all of your other people bring their keyboards and leave them up. I'm sure everybody else brings their keyboard and their guitar and their harmonicas, sing for 3 hours, but they leave everything up, and then they don't go to the next gig because they don't have a next gig. Yeah, playing the Jersey Shore, nightmarish, really nightmarish. The people are just unbearable, incredibly demanding, just absurd demanding, jaded and demanding, and like repulsive in many ways. I shouldn't say that, but it's true compared to the rest of the world. The rest of the world is very appreciative. New Jersey's like,